Hey everybody, this is Missy at Flip My Cycle. Here we have a 2016 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. This has a 1,690cc air-cooled engine. Check it out. It's got some aftermarket parts on it, which is got your aftermarket Screaming Eagle. Looks like a high inflow air intake. Aftermarket little cover plate right there. These Unlimiteds are great for cross touring. I mean, they have everything on them. There's some pegs on your highway bars. Lord have mercy. Alright. Got your LED lights. This is a very, very clean bike. It's belt driven. See, it's got your aftermarket nice little foot levers there. It's got your bags, plenty of storage room. Very comfortable ride. This one actually has your Reinhardt Racing aftermarket exhaust. As you can tell, it's dual. Here you have a port for intercom between riders, speakers for your passenger. Got some storage little pockets right here on this backrest for the driver. There you go. This actually has heated grips. Here's your control for that. Here's all your controls for your radio and stuff. All your other stuff. Phone mount. Well, let's turn her on so I can hear her run. There's your mileage, 10,030 miles. Alright, wait for the engine light to go off as always with a Harley. We'll just start her up. So you've got your two speakers up front right here. So there you go, it's pretty clear. That's one of the local stations.
Yeah, recently Michael Anthony even confirmed that Van Halen reunion.
Right, you also have your navigation on here and stuff. Favorites. See home. See you got your media tuner. Yep, it's touchscreen as well. Intercom. You can set up your intercom. Mute, don't mute, stuff like that. So this bike has everything on it that you could want on a cruiser. This is a very heavy bike, y'all. All right. So if you're not used to riding something this big, I don't suggest it. If you're looking to upgrade to something this big, come on down and see us and let's make a deal so we can get you riding today and you can start making your plans to tour across the states.